the tears are building up right now.
I fear I found something to spend my money on again. We're gonna get 2 of these. I'm not getting these because their heads be looking really wobbly, but I will enjoy everybody else opening them. I'm being a smart person and that's all I'm getting because I came here for a yoga mat. I'm gonna get one more of those little bubble up things for Luna. I feel bad if I don't get her one. My baby girl is always gonna be spoiled by her mama. Oh my god, I just dropped a box. Okay, I'm gonna unbox these really quick. I really hope I get the pink one and the blue one or the secret. That's freaking crazy. I fear I wasted my money. All right, next one. Luna's trading with me. I literally wasted my money. It's green. I do enjoy squishing it though. And as I was checking out, I saw these and I see them everywhere on TikTok. So let's see what I get. I don't really care which one I get as long as it's not ugly. Oh my god, I don't even have anything to open this with. It's yellow. I'm about to cry because I literally just wasted my money. I'm gonna cry. Like, the tears are building up right now. I'm just kidding. I can cry on command. I'm just kidding. I'm so fucking mad right now. This is actually really fun to play with.